Sony has one of the strongest full-frame camera lineups in the world right now. And in 2026, these 5 models stand out for performance, image quality, autofocus, and overall value. Let's break down what makes each one worth considering. The Sony Alpha 7 IV is the ultimate hybrid sweet spot. It balances photography and video performance in a way very few cameras can. You get a 33 megapixel full-frame sensor that delivers sharp, detailed images with excellent dynamic range. Autofocus is incredibly reliable, with Sony's real-time eye tracking for humans, animals, and even birds. For video creators, it shoots high-quality 4K with strong color science and impressive detail. The fully articulating screen makes it ideal for content creators, vloggers, and solo shooters. It feels modern, responsive, and future-proof for both photo and video work. If you want one camera that can handle professional photography and serious video production, check the link below and see if the Alpha 7 IV is your best all-around choice. The Alpha 7C2 takes powerful full-frame performance and puts it into a compact body. It's ideal for creators who want professional image quality without carrying a bulky setup. The 33 megapixel sensor delivers sharp photos with excellent detail, and the autofocus system is fast, accurate, and reliable in dynamic shooting situations. It's perfect for travel photography, street shooting, and content creators who are constantly on the move. Despite its smaller size, it doesn't sacrifice performance. Video quality is strong, and the portability makes it easier to carry daily. If you want full-frame power in a lightweight form factor, check the link below and see if the 7C2 fits your shooting style. The A7R4A is built for resolution. With a massive 61 megapixel full-frame sensor, this camera delivers extreme detail, making it ideal for landscape, commercial, and studio photographers. The level of sharpness and cropping flexibility you get here is impressive. Autofocus performance is fast and precise, even with high-resolution files. It's designed for professionals who need maximum image detail and print quality output. The body feels solid and well-built, and the image quality in good lighting conditions is outstanding. If your work demands ultra-high resolution and you want one of the sharpest full-frame cameras Sony offers, check the link below and explore the A7R4A further. The AI7ER3A remains a strong value option for high-resolution shooters. With a 42.4 megapixel full-frame sensor, it still delivers excellent detail and dynamic range. It may not be the newest model in the lineup, but its image quality continues to hold up in professional environments. Autofocus is reliable and the overall performance is stable and dependable. It's a great option for photographers who want high-resolution output without jumping to the latest flagship pricing. If you're looking for professional-level resolution at a more accessible price point, check the link below and see if the A7R3A still makes sense for you. The Sony A7 III is often called the workhorse of the Sony lineup. Even in 2026, it remains incredibly relevant. With a 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor, it offers excellent low-light performance, strong dynamic range, and reliable autofocus. It's versatile enough for portraits, weddings, events, and even light video work. Battery life is solid, and the body design feels comfortable for extended shooting sessions. For many creators, this camera offers the best balance of performance and price. If you want a proven full-frame camera that still delivers excellent results, check the link below and see if the A7 III is the right investment for your kit. The best Sony camera in 2026 depends entirely on what you shoot. If you want hybrid power, the A7 IV leads the way. If portability matters, the 7C2 stands out. If resolution is everything, the A7R series dominates. And if you want proven reliability at a strong value, the A7 III still holds its ground. If this breakdown helped you choose the right Sony body, subscribe for more honest camera reviews and check the links in the description for updated pricing before you make your next upgrade.